Okay, I'm going to be presenting you a cocktail that you can do at home here at the Beachcomber, obviously using Agricole rum. The first one is going to be a old-fashioned, and we're going to use the Paz VSOP for that. You want to use somewhat of an aged rum for that. Obviously, you can use any type of rum. I'm going to give you a foolproof method of making an old-fashioned at home. So you add 50 milliliters of your rum of choice, preferred aged, but you can also go for something white. Then it is 3 dashes of Angostura. If you're going for a white rum, only make that 1 dash. And then 2 dashes of orange. If you're again going for the white rum, then make that 3 dashes. And then we're going to be adding something special that is special to this place. I've developed a little bit of a clarified popcorn syrup, but at home you can simply just use a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 syrup. It's very easily made. And that all goes in. And then we're going to be putting our ice to the very top, cubed ice. And then put the spoon or even a straw or anything that is straight, it can even be a chopstick, up to the bottom, and then twist it around for a count to 10. And then your cocktail will be ready to strain into a chilled glass. Top that with some ice. And then we take a little orange peel and we express the oils. If you want to be fancy, you can also rub it on the side. And there you have it. This is my twist on an Agricole old-fashioned. So this cocktail, yeah, it's very rum forward. This is a strong cocktail. It's got slight hints of popcorn, and then you get that clovey note from the Angostura and a sweetness from the orange. So this is a cocktail that you want to make when you got a really good rum, and you want to highlight the flavors of the rum. Of course, you're going to get some clove, you're going to get some popcorn, you're going to get some sweetness, but the rum is the main highlight of this drink. It's delicious.